electrical connections should be done in accordance with the best industry practices by a qualified contractor with the appropriate experience. Now that your FSM-3 series SuperMag electromagnetic flow meter has been installed, it is time to wire it. Please make sure to have a small Phillips and flathead screwdriver available. If your meter is remote mount, extended cable lengths may be needed and are available from ONICON. The electrode and coil wires are pre-attached via pluggable terminal blocks inside the flow sensor enclosure. Attach the strain relief fitting provided with your meter, and then route the electrode and coil wire cable through the fitting into the transmitter enclosure. Caution: all wiring connections should be performed before power is connected to the flow meter. Identify the flow sensor coil and electrode wires based on their wire lead colors. Terminate the wires in their pre-labeled terminal blocks as shown. Match the terminal block labels to the silkscreen text on the circuit board when repopulating the terminal blocks. Completed electrode wiring is shown here. Tighten the strain relief fitting after the electrode and coil wires have been terminated. This provides both wire support and protection against the elements. Depending on the type of signal you need for your meter, refer to the wiring diagram here and in your manual to complete the wiring setup. As always, if you feel you have further questions, please contact ONICON Technical Support and we will be happy to assist you.